Hi, I'm Brianna with SwitchWeld, and today we're going to be talking about how to create a line with your SwitchWeld. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do before creating a line is to create a program, which you can find the tutorial for that in the description below. The next thing you're going to want to do is move your cobot to a point near the beginning of your weld and tap the line button on the end effector. It's going to be the top button here. The next thing you're going to want to do is move your cobot to the start of the weld. Set it to the orientation you want. Then short tap the orient button to save that orientation. Next, you're going to want to hit the line button and one short tap, and that's going to set the first point of your line. Next, you're going to want to hit the arc button to show that that's where you want your arc to be activated. Then move to the end of the line, hold down the orient button, and your cobot will move to the orientation from the first point. Next, you can go ahead and tap the point button again, and that will declare the second point of your line. Then, to turn off the arc, you can tap the arc button. Finally, move your cobot away with a retract point, and once again, short tap the point button, and that's going to show the last point of your movement. To play through it, let's go ahead and go to the start, and we can view our movement now. Making a line is so easy with SwitchWeld, and it takes only about 30 seconds. If you want to learn more, let us know in the comments below, or check out our website, switchweld.com. Thanks for watching.